Meantime, today, the Jacksonville Jaguars will begin the first phase of reopening the stadium after the pandemic forced it to close for months now. But don't expect to catch a glimpse of any of the players just yet unless they're in rehab. News4Jax reporter Ashley Harding joins us live from the bank this morning. So, Ashley, to be clear, fans will not be able to visit for maybe a long time at this point.
Melanie, it's a big bummer, but it is a fact. And according to the NFL, only players going through medical rehab will be allowed to come here at this point. Now, as for the employees, a maximum of 75 are allowed here at the stadium. One thing, returning to work is strictly voluntary at this point, but a lot of other rules are now in place. And of course, the goal is to keep people safe here at TIAA Bank Field. Last week, the NFL gave teams the green light to start returning to their facilities, and that includes our Jacksonville Jaguars for a number of rules are in place. Some of the most noticeable include what you'll physically see inside the stadium. People will have to follow social distancing protocols, and markings have been installed on the floor to encourage that. New signs are up, and that includes information about respiratory etiquette and hand hygiene. Masks must also be worn in the stadium by all employees unless they are alone inside their offices. Also happening behind the scenes, an infectious response team has been working to design an entry plan to maintain the proper social distancing, and this will include a rotating work schedule based on office location as well as timing. And a protocol for how the Jags would respond if someone did test positive for COVID-19 or started experiencing symptoms has been created by that infectious response team. And as we know, rookie training camp has been happening virtually because of this pandemic, but July is the next big on-location time for teams because that's when training camps tend to start, and Jacksonville's first preseason week is August 13th through the 17th, and that's against Carolina. Reporting live at the stadium, Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.